Have you ever felt like you're out of sync with your true energy? Like there's a part of you, either masculine or feminine, that you just can't fully embrace? Maybe it's something deep inside that you don't understand yet, but it's holding you back in your relationships, your career, or even your self-worth. Today, we're diving into which zodiac signs struggle with these energies and why this struggle can actually define your life. The journey of self-discovery is layered, complex, and unique. In astrology, we talk a lot about masculine and feminine energies, but what happens when one of these aspects is suppressed or misunderstood? Let's explore the signs that find themselves torn between these two powerful forces, and what it means when they're out of balance. First, let's talk about the signs that may struggle with embracing their masculine energy traits like action, assertiveness, and leadership. These qualities are often associated with the fire and air signs, but not every fire sign feels comfortable leading with confidence. Take Cancer, for example, a water sign that's often seen as nurturing and emotionally driven. But when they suppress their masculine side, they can become passive, indecisive, and avoid confrontation. Libra, a natural peacemaker, might struggle with assertiveness, unable to make tough decisions without seeking approval. They might feel the weight of balancing everyone's needs without putting their own first. On the flip side, some signs struggle with embracing their feminine energy, the part of them that is intuitive, receptive, and emotionally rich. Think about Capricorn, earthy, practical, and driven by logic, yet beneath that tough exterior. They often resist connecting to their more sensitive, intuitive side. They may shy away from vulnerability and emotional expression, seeing them as weaknesses. Similarly, Aries, a fiercely independent fire sign, can suppress their emotional side in pursuit of constant action and achievement. They often feel like showing vulnerability is a sign of weakness, leading to burnout and disconnection. So, what happens when these energies are out of balance? When masculine and feminine energies aren't harmonized within the individual, there can be confusion, frustration, and self-doubt. You may notice emotional instability, difficulty in relationships, or even a sense of being disconnected from your true self. The internal struggle of being torn between these energies can create tension, making it harder to trust your intuition or take bold actions in the world. But the truth is, all of us are on a journey of integration. Embracing both your masculine and feminine sides doesn't mean you're losing yourself. It means you're becoming more whole. It's about creating balance and harmony between action and receptivity, logic and intuition, strength and vulnerability. When you learn to honor both parts of your nature, you unlock a power that can lead you toward true personal growth and deeper fulfillment. If this video resonated with you and you feel like you've been struggling with either your masculine or feminine side, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect. Embrace both energies within yourself and start working on finding that inner balance. Remember, the key to unlocking your fullest potential is in your hands. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your experience with balancing these energies?